Hey guys, it's DIY Cubing, and I'm going to be unboxing this new package that I just got. I don't know what's in here. I'm doing this on a kitchen table because my family's not home right now, and I could film videos wherever I want. So I'll just be opening this. I guess I'll make you guys look at cereal. There you go. Wait for it. Okay. See, the unboxing is, you're technically supposed to see me rip open the package, but I don't have a stand or anything, and my desk is occupied by a lot of work right now, so papers and stuff. Don't worry about it. So I'll just have to put you guys, lean you guys up against the cereal box, and then I'll open it. Oh man, this is a hard package to open. What could be in here? Let me feel. Let me try guessing. So, let me try guessing. It's really hard to guess. Okay. I'm not sure what's in here. Okay. Let's just open it. Brute force. It's never good to use brute force, but sometimes you just have to, let's screw it. No brute force is allowed here. Okay, I got a pair of kitchen scissors from the kitchen cabinet, because that's the only thing I see right now. I open it, and what's in here? I think this is, oh, okay, 100 bees. This might not be mine. Oh yeah, it's my mom's. Shoot, I shouldn't have opened these. Oh, okay, I'm in big trouble. I think these are, what are these? What am my mom? Oh, these are for decorating her, clothes that she makes. Oh, okay. That's cool. I'm gonna just put this back in the packaging. Nothing happened. I guess I'll staple it up or something. Tell my mom I never opened it. Whoops. Other than that, I guess, this technically isn't an unboxing of my product. But technically it's an unboxing. Stay tuned for future videos. Bye, guys.